Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss in 3D geometry length of projection of PQ on RS or AB on CD, like this. How to calculate the type of problem? See that P of 1 comma 2 comma minus 2, Q of 8 comma 10 comma 11, R of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and S of 3 comma 5 comma 7. If lambda denotes the length of projection of PQ on RS, then 29 lambda square plus 29 equal to, options are given like this: 8129, 8100, 90 and 8029. First, you have to know the formula for length of projection of AB bar on CD bar. Suppose you remember the logic. PQ, length of projection of PQ on RS is given. So P point is here and Q point is here. On RS, here like this we can take the points. The length of projection on PQ on RS, whenever like this they are asking, you calculate direction ratios of PQ line. We know that the direction ratios of PQ is x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, anyway we can write. By difference of x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate, which are drs, and calculate for that RS DCs. DCs means which are denoted by element, which are called x1 minus x2, comma y1 minus y2, comma z1 minus z2. Otherwise x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, like this also can take according to our convenience. So first formula we have to write the length of projection, the length of projection of PQ on RS is, that value is given as lambda. Lambda is equal to mod L into x1 minus x2 plus m into y1 minus y2 plus n into z1 minus z2. I already said that what is drs, what is dcs. These are drs. Drs means PQ drs. So drs of PQ you can calculate. That means Q minus P. 8 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 11 minus of minus 2, 11 plus 2, 13. This is x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Next, DCs of RS. Before going to do that direction cosines, direction ratios first calculate, after that dividing by that value. But directly I am writing here 3 minus 1 2, 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 3 4, divided by, here R value is what? Square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, so root 29. Dividing by root 29. Just here I am applying that formula x by r, y by r, z by r, where r is root of x square plus y square plus z square. That is called direction cosines, which are denoted by element. Now these values substitute in this. Lambda equal to determinant of, mod L value. L value is 2 by root 29 into x1 minus x2, it is 7. Plus m value is 3 by root 29 into y1 minus y2, 8, plus n value is 4 by root 29 into 13, which is equal to, all LCM will be root 29 only, no? 7 2s are 14 plus 8 3s are 24 plus 13 4s are 52, which is equal to lambda. Cross multiplying lambda into root 29 is equal to 52 plus 24 plus 14. It should be equal to 90. Mod 90 means 90 only. Squaring on both sides, 29 lambda square is equal to 8100. But the question is 29 lambda square plus 29. That means adding on both sides 29. 29 lambda square plus 29 equal to 8100 plus 29, which is equal to 8129. So 29 lambda square plus 29 is equal to 8129, which is there in the first option. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please do subscribe.